Let's try this one and we'll see what we can come up with. What I have is, it's on the middle pickup. Everything is on full. Try to get a little Jerry Garcia tone. Not quite. So I'm going to roll this down. That is the volume for this front pickup. So listen. See that? Hear that? Hear that? How that phaser sound? So roll that down. And then I want to roll the treble off of the neck pickup. Hear that? So I need to tune up. Sorry. This back up and this up. Not sure if we're there, but it sounds okay. I'm out of tune. Sorry about that.